Alright gamers, if you are looking for a new gaming keyboard, then you have got to check out this one. Today we have the hiwings HI100 mechanical keyboard to check out, so let's get to it. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell to receive notifications. Today we have a mechanical gaming keyboard by hiwings. If you'd like to take a look at it for yourself, we have our links located in the description. So keyboards like this I'm a huge fan of, so let's not waste any more time, get it unboxed so I can check it out. RGB lighting keyboard. Let's get it out of the box. Check it out. It's got full spectrum RGB, mechanical switches, and custom mode using the FN key. Let's check it out. Right in the top of the box we've got some paperwork along with a key puller and a USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter. Then we have the keyboard with some side foam on it, wrapped in a static-proof foam. And there's a nice keyboard. It's got an attached cable that is USB. Some feet that will fold in and out with some smaller feet on the inside. That's pretty cool. I like that feature. That's what you get out of the box, so let's get it set up and put it to use. I was already impressed with the look and the feel of this keyboard during the unboxing, but after I got it plugged up and started using it, it really started to shine. It's totally amazing with its RGB lighting giving it a lovely glow, and different settings that you can choose from along with a custom light setup for your personal preference. Using the FN key and hitting insert, home, page up, page down, and delete keys, you can toggle through a lot of different presets and different variations within each preset. While using the right arrow along with FN, you can change the color setting along with some of the presets. And the FN press with the up and down controls the lighting brightness. Changing the speed of the effect is also available by using the plus and minus keys while holding down FN. And you really get control of the lighting when you use the custom key editor. While holding down FN, you can hit the tilde key and go into the custom setting. Then when you tap tilde again, you can see the flashing lights to enter the editor mode. Using FN and the right arrow, you can change the colors of the key, while the tilde key will show you the preview of the selected color. Then pressing the keys to tag them to that color, it lets you draw your own designs and create your own custom light setup. And I thought this was totally awesome being done without any software. It's done completely by using the keyboard with hotkeys, making this keyboard completely plug and play, and that's what's most important, taking setup time away and giving you more gaming time. While speaking of the keys, the mechanical blue switches feel really great and have a nice clicky sound to go with, allowing more accuracy in the keystrokes, which will be ideal for you gamers out there. The double height stand also really puts this thing at the right spot, while having rubber cushions on both feet, keeping the keyboard steady without using a mat or a pad. I find this a big plus because I really can't stand a keyboard that's scooting around while I'm typing. This one is great and it holds up very well. The three-way cable port is also really helpful when you need the cable routed to a different side of the keyboard. This keyboard is completely loaded and it rocks. And there's not much else to say other than I'm completely satisfied. So if you're on the market for a new keyboard, then I would highly recommend you to look into hiwings keyboards. This HI100 is fantastic, and I would recommend it to anyone wanting a great mechanical keyboard that's fully customizable with RGB lighting and especially blue key switches. Also, a big shout out to hiwings for partnering up with us to give you this review. They have been so kind to hook up our viewers with a discount code that you can use on one of these keyboards. So make sure not to miss out on that. You can find all the links and details located in the description. If you found this review helpful or just enjoy getting discounts on sweet merch, make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments. Let us know what you think about the HI100 keyboard. That's going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.